Obstacles only appear when you take your eyes off your goal. You'll make more friends in 2 months by showing interest in others than in 2 years by trying to get others interested in you. Worry kills more than work because more people worry than work. Happiness doesn't last. Happiness is like a wave. It comes and goes. You might feel joyful in one moment, but it fades, leaving you searching for that feeling again. It's temporary, and trying to hold on to it forever will only lead to disappointment. Advance confidently in the direction of your dreams, and life will surprise you with success in ordinary moments. Trust yourself, and there's no limit to where you can go. When bad things happen, you have 3 choices. Let them define you, let them destroy you, or let them strengthen you. Love has conditions. While we like to think of love as unconditional, it often comes with strings attached. There are always expectations, whether it's affection, loyalty, or support. When those conditions aren't met, love can weaken or fade away. Don't fall for fleeting pleasures. They often come with hidden hooks. Everyone falls down, but getting back up is how we learn to walk. The wealth of a person doesn't increase their honesty. Do today what you might be tempted to leave for tomorrow. Trust is easily broken. Trust is hard to earn, but easy to lose. Once someone breaks your trust, it can take years to rebuild, and even then, it's never quite the same. A single mistake can shatter it. Most of our suffering is self-inflicted, born from things that never even happen. The first to act gets the prize. The second only gets the leftovers. Turn every disaster into an opportunity, for that is the law of compensation. True rewards match labor and sacrifice. Don't spend money you don't have. Luck often comes dressed as hard work. Believe only half of what you see and nothing of what you hear. Patience may bring rewards, but only those left by the hustlers. Perseverance conquers all, even nature itself. Work hard, and you may become the boss, only to work even harder. Character is our most valuable creation. It can't be taken from us. Influence people by speaking to their desires. If getting rich is your only goal, you'll never achieve it. By failing to prepare, you prepare to fail. Life isn't fair. Some people are born into privilege, while others struggle just to get by. No matter how hard you work, life won't always give you what you deserve. Fairness is more of an idea than a reality. Everyone feels pain. No one can avoid pain, whether it's physical, emotional, or mental. It's a part of life, and everyone will face it at some point. The important thing is learning how to cope with it and move forward. People look out for themselves. Even the nicest people are motivated by self-interest. They might help others, but deep down, it's often because it makes them feel good, or they want to be seen as kind. We all have selfish motives, even when we don't realize it. Hard work isn't always rewarded. You can give 110%, but that doesn't guarantee success. Life doesn't always reward effort with achievement. Sometimes it's luck, timing, or who you know that makes the difference, not how hard you work. You will fail sometimes. Failure is a part of life. No matter how hard you try, you won't succeed at everything. The key is to learn from failure and keep going, even when things don't go your way. Time flies. As you get older, you realize how fast time passes. Days, months, and years seem to blur together, and before you know it, you might wonder where all the time went. It's easy to lose track of time, and once it's gone, you can't get it back.